This is Mr. K again. Make sure you've got a paper, a pencil, and your scale so you can do some measuring. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to create the border and our starting point. To begin with, on the border, each of the sides, from the side, we are measuring 1.5 inches. So I go 1.5. How many points to make a line? Oh, hey, Mr. K, that would be 2 points to make a line. So I've measured twice, and I draw my line. I'm going to do the same thing from the other side. I'm going to measure 1.5 inches. Oops, slid my paper, sorry about that. 1.5 inches. And I draw my construction line. Oh no, this is not a construction line. This is an object line. It's a dark line. Now, from the top, we're going to go 1.25 inches. 1.25 inches. Draw my object line. And from the bottom, we're going to go 1.25 inches. Oops, I'm running into my tool. 1.25 inches. And I draw my object line. Oh, poopy poop. See, even I make mistakes. Let me grab an eraser. There we go, all better. So now I need to go 1 inch from the bottom and 1 inch from the side to get my starting point. So I'm going to go 1 inch, slide over 1 inch, and draw. This time I'm going to draw a construction line, that very light line. And from the side, I'm going to go 1 inch. And draw my construction line. Here's where I'm going to start my drawing, right here in this little corner. That's why I put a circle there, to remind myself. That way I don't get confused and start it at one of these other spots. Remember, your name's going to go on the bottom here. We're going to put it 1/4, 1/2, and 3/4. Slide over. 1/4, 1/2, and 3/4. And then make my lines for my name plate, all my information, 3 inches long. And again, these are object lines. How many points to make a line, Mr. K? 2. And I have 2 for each line, each of these lines. And that's where your name's going to go. Lo and behold,
my name, my period, the drawing, and the date
goes in that information. And this is where you're going to start each one of your drawings. 1 1/2 from the side. 1 1/2 from the side. From the bottom and the top, 1 1/4. 1 1/4. You shouldn't write the numbers on the outside. That's just there to give you a little bit of help, just in case you forgot what you were doing. But that's what it should look like at the beginning of each of your drawings. Good luck.